Hello everybody. The new version of SuiteCRM 8.9.1 has just been released. Let's check out what's new and what's important. Okay, so let's go. Let's go through the release notes together and then check out our CRM system. So first of all, as you can see, it has been a security and a bug fix release and less new features. What does that mean for you? So here you've got the security issues. Potentially your CRM system has now bugs or like holds security, risk security holes inside. And as you can see, if I open a couple of those, you can see that multiple of them have a high risk of being exploited here. So here it's only medium, but multiple are high, and therefore it's fairly simple now to exploit your CRM system. If you have it out there in the wild, you should definitely upgrade soon. Upgrade works very well. We get into this in a bit. So then there is some more documentation. If we remember the attachment fields, I can show it quite quickly. So here in opportunities, for instance, there we've got those attachment fields. There are some more details now on how they are working. There's some documentation. Here, very important, if you upgrade, you need to back up your uploads folder that has been created with those here, because otherwise the upgrade is deleting those, so therefore it's not good. We've got a couple of new features around the schedulers. Let's check these ones out as well. So here we've got in the admin area the schedulers, and as you can see, this view has now been ported to the new 8.9 user interface, and therefore here we've got those neat insights, very, very fancy. And additionally, you get some more details here. And now it's important, in the 8.9, there, if you freshly installed it, you don't have the allowed user in the cron tab for running those schedulers here. So now it works in both ways. So either if you upgrade from 8.9 to 8.9.1 to here, then it will be already added for you as well inside your config.php file. Or if you just freshly install 8.9.1, then you've got the settings already configured in the config.php file as well. So therefore it's all good, and you can run those commands now. Maybe check which version of PHP you need to run, and other than that, it's basically just a cron job. And then things are running, and the nice thing here is you don't have to go into the task or the scheduler runs anymore. You can just see here the latest run and which user executed it. So therefore, very nice. That's a good, it's mostly admin, so therefore, not too many users will see this here in the day-to-day business, but for admins, it's definitely improvement. Then we've got new documentation on the validators, and this is really important. I'm using it in many, many systems. Data validation, because with those things, you can increase your data quality inside your CRM system. You can prevent duplicates. You can make sure that that patterns are adhered to when data is being entered and stuff like this. So you can do plenty of stuff with validators. We'll check those out in another separate video. So most important, security, and then a couple of small features plus documentation, and then a lot of bug fixes. And it feels like the community has been very eager to install this 8.9.1 because there have been a couple of issues inside the 8.9 release, which are now all fixed. So first of all, the campaigns, the major upgrade in how they look and feel. It didn't work very properly on MySQL databases in 8.9. Now that has been fixed. So here the campaigns will go out. They will just work as you expect them to work, and things will be sent, and everything looks good here. So I don't see any other issues with the campaigns. So therefore, very nice feature fix here. Then maybe you've noticed already, if you want to delete multiple records, and I'm surprised, I had like several customers telling me already like they can't delete multiple records anymore. And did not expect that people have to delete so many bulk records. But anyway, this works now as well. So this has been fixed as well. And then there was like some other details. If you have tasks and you want to set due date, and this has not been stored anymore. So therefore now that's all good, and you will be able to set the dates here. Yeah, so that works as well. You have to go through the details here. There's plenty of stuff as well around the around the new file fields, around campaigns, around several details, users and emails and so on. So one important thing is, for the upgrade, something has been deprecated or removed from the functionality, and that is the old Mosaic HTML editor. So you can go into your profile, and if you didn't change anything, you still have the Mosaic editor here in the drop-down options. That will not default to anything else. So you would need to select what you want to do here. So either direct HTML or tiny MCE. And I would usually use the tiny MCE now because it's just like nice handling email templates. And if you have set this, then you can save it and you will be able to create or edit email templates again. So therefore, that's important. I don't think it's a big loss. The editor has been super old. It doesn't look very good. You don't have many options. That was just like the standard stuff, which was here since SuiteCRM days. So therefore, it's good to see the new editor taking over, basically. So that about covers it. A lot of fixes, very nice, and it's security-related fixes here as well. So therefore, be quick with the upgrade, just in order to stay safe with your CRM system, with your data. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for this one. See you next time. Bye.